So when the fear creeps back in, I speak these words out loud. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. He does not say maybe. He says I will. Isaiah 41 verse 10. I imagine explaining my anxiety to a farmer 1,000 years ago. He worried about drought and locusts. I worry about algorithms and automation. Different tools. Same fear. And the same God who answered him answers me. The Lord is my light. Whom shall I fear? Psalm 27 verse 1. Find rest, O my soul, in God alone. My hope comes from Him. Not from my career. Not from artificial intelligence. Not from my own ability. He alone is my rock. I will not be shaken. When everything shifts, He is the ground beneath my feet. Psalm 62 verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, the Scripture says. Do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your paths straight. The road may be uncertain, but the one who guides me knows the way. Proverbs 3 verse 5. There is a part of me no technology can reach. God has set eternity in my heart. That longing for something beyond this world. That ache no app can satisfy. That hunger for meaning no algorithm can fill. It is the fingerprint of God on my soul. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 11. But in the quiet of the night, I remember something I learned long ago. Some trust in chariots, and some trust in horses. Some trust in technology. Some trust in their own cleverness. But there is a better way. We trust in the name of the Lord our God. Psalm 20 verse 7. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you wrote a line of code. Before you earned a paycheck. Before you achieved anything at all. You were known. You were loved. You were chosen. Not for what you could do, but because of who made you. Jeremiah 1 verse 5. I think about everything I have built. My career. My savings. My reputation. All the things I thought would keep me safe. But the Bible has always warned us about putting our trust in things that rust and fade. Only one foundation does not crumble. I wake up in the middle of the night. My heart is racing. I read another article about AI taking jobs. about machines that can think faster than me. I look at my children sleeping and wonder, will there be a place for them? Will my skills still matter? The fear is real, and it is heavy. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil. I have walked through valleys before, seasons of uncertainty, times of change, and He was with me in every one. The valley is not my home. It is just a passage, and I do not walk it alone. Psalm 23 verse 4. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. Not as the world gives. The world's peace depends on everything going well. My peace depends on me. Let not your hearts be troubled. Do not be afraid. This peace passes all understanding. John 14 verse 27. I scroll through feeds and feel smaller every day. Algorithms can write, compose, diagnose, decide. I wonder what value I have left. But then a still small voice whispers, you are not what you produce. You are not your output. You are not a function. You are a child of God. This is the truth that no machine can claim. God created man in His own image. Not the image of data. Not the image of processing power. His image. That is the source of our dignity. No algorithm can bear that image. That belongs to us alone. Genesis 1 verse 27. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way, though industries collapse, though the future is unclear. If God is our refuge, what can truly harm us? Our security is in who built us, not in what we build. Psalm 46 verse 1. Blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord. He is like a tree planted by water. When the heat comes, it does not fear. Its leaves stay green. In a year of drought, it still bears fruit. That is the promise for those who root their lives in God, not in the economy. Jeremiah 17 verse 7. Nothing can separate us from the love of God. Not death. Not life. Not the present. Not the future. Not any power. Not any technology. Not the rise of AI. Not the collapse of empires. Nothing in all creation. We are held. We are loved. We are His. Romans 8 verse 38. The psalmist asked a question that still echoes. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Not from the stock market. Not from the next invention. Not from my resume. From the one who spoke the stars into existence. Psalm 121 verse 1.